that, the 2025 season comes to an end. Good night.
You gotta say big stretch every time I do a big stretch. You know that's the rules when a puppy walk is about.
Look at this pretty boy. Oh my goodness. Look how cute he is. Him is so cute. He is the cutest boy. Nico.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
By the way, no need to bring the wagon. You're only going to bring maybe one trophy this time.
Huh?
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. No, it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down.
Girl. Say girl, stop eating your poopies. I can't put you on the internet eating poopies.